Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the repeater and the door of the TESBROS Chrome Delete kit, so if you're interested, stay tuned. So we're going to start with the repeater first, since this one's the harder of the two pieces. So go ahead and take it off the backing, start it from the back part of the repeater and work your way across the top. So you want to anchor this whole piece across and then basically do the curve portion, which is the tougher portion. So go ahead and work your way across the back, make sure it's lined up with the chrome. And once you've done that, then go ahead and work the curvy piece. So what I found to be the easiest way to do this to make it the cleanest looking is start from the middle and then work your way down and out. So I'm still working on just folding it over here over the front portion, and then, like I said, work the round piece. So what makes this one a little bit tough too is the Tesla logo is there too, so you've got to mold that as well. So go ahead and you're gonna have to stretch it too a little bit, so pull it down while you're molding it from the middle and out. So see how I'm like pushing it down and then pushing it out. So that's, I think, the easiest way to do this without like too many creases and things like that. So go ahead and keep working it. Like I said, you're gonna have to stretch it. So in this, in my little example here, I didn't quite get all the chrome on the bottom left, as you can see. So I probably need to stretch it out a little bit more to really cover it. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and use your squeegee and the heat. You definitely want to use your heat for this one to round out the edges, mold it to the chrome and get all the creases out. So go ahead and work those. And then once you do that, then you're pretty much done with this piece. I think it looks pretty good just besides the chrome on the left. So maybe I'll go back and do it again. I don't know. And then that's it for the repeater. And then you want to do the door handle, which is pretty straightforward. Just line it up and then work it all the way across the actual door. And then what's going to be important is using your squeegee and the heat for this to to really mold it and tuck in the edges. So work it across, make sure it's lined up and nice and straight and right in the middle of the vinyl's right in the middle, of the door here. And then, like I said, use your heat. So start from the piece, the bigger piece, tuck it in with your squeegee and use your heat, like I said. Round out the corner there. And then go ahead and work your way to the left to the piece that you're actually going to grab. So once you get to about this point here, when the door can actually, where you can actually touch it with your hands and not have to use a squeegee, I found it pretty easy just to use your fingers and just roll this piece down because it's flat. So pretty straightforward. And then go ahead and use your squeegee for the rounded piece on the corner here. And go ahead and, mold that out, tuck it in, make it look nice and clean. And that's basically it. So just take your time, make sure it looks really nice, and that's it. So I've got all the tutorials for this entire kit in the description. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.